This is exercise 2 for the sketch-based mirrors, fillets, and trims lesson. We're going to again begin exercise 2 by using an inch part template. So we can select that template and select OK. And then when our part file launches again, we're going to go ahead and save that file in our own working directory as exercise 2. Now, let's start by selecting the front plane and selecting Sketch, and then we're going to select a rectangle and a center rectangle. I'm going to sketch my rectangle. Next, we'll use the fillet command with a radius of 1/4 inch, and go ahead and fillet all the corners of our rectangle. The next step will be to add a center line that goes vertically. And then let's go ahead and add a circle, making sure that the midpoint is horizontal with that origin. Now we can use the trim tool and trim that circle. And then we'll use the mirror command to mirror that circle about that center line. Now lastly, let's just use that trim command to get rid of the bit of geometry on the other side. I could have waited to use my trim command and trimmed everything at the same time. Just like to show you that there are multiple ways of doing each thing in SolidWorks. It's not necessary to do things in the exact order that I do them in the lessons. Now we'll go ahead and dimension our profile. We want an overall width of 3.5 inches. An overall height of 2 inches, a radius of 3/4 of an inch, a center to center distance of these circles of 4 inches, and we can see we do have a little bit of a problem. Obviously, our horizontal relationship didn't work, so let's just go ahead and add that in. I'll hold down Control, select the center point of that circle, and the origin, and add that horizontal relationship. Now you'll notice the way I found out which relationship was wrong was by simply dragging the sketch entity that was blue. And quite often you'll be able to make use of this same technique if you've got a sketch that you think should be fully defined and you can't understand why. Simply grab the blue portion of the sketch and drag it around a little bit, and that should assist you in finding out what's wrong. Now lastly, I'm just going to add another circle in the middle here. Then we'll add a relationship by holding Control and selecting both entities. We're going to make all those circles equal, and then we can go ahead and select our feature and extrude that at our depth of 1/8 of an inch. And that concludes exercise 2.